Weight Loss Journey Guideline. This is episode 27 of our listening and speaking course. Hey there, beautiful. Welcome back to my channel. Are you stuck in a weight loss plateau? Don't worry, girl, I got you. In this video, we're going to talk about how to overcome that plateau and complete your weight loss journey. Let's get started. Step 1. Step number 1 is to reassess your goals. Take some time to reflect on why you started this journey in the first place. What are your goals? What do you want to achieve? Step 2. Step number 2 is to seek support. Talk to a doctor, a nutritionist, or a personal trainer. They can help you identify what's holding you back and give you personalized advice. Step 3. Step number 3 is to mix up your routine. Try new exercises, workouts, or activities. This will help you avoid boredom and prevent your body from getting too comfortable. Step 4. Step number 4 is to focus on progress, not perfection. Celebrate small victories and don't be too hard on yourself. Remember, weight loss is a journey, not a destination. Step 5. Step number 5 is to get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night to help regulate your hunger hormones. Step 6. Step number 6 is to stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to curb hunger and boost energy. Step 7. Step number 7 is to be mindful of portion sizes. Use a food scale or measuring cups to gauge your food intake. Step 8. Step number 8 is to eat more protein. Include protein-rich foods in your meals to help build muscle and boost metabolism. Step 9. Step number 9 is to incorporate strength training. Build muscle mass to increase your metabolism and burn more calories. Step 10. Step number 10 is to be patient and persistent. Weight loss takes time, so stay committed to your journey. Let's learn word definition. Here are some difficult words along with their meanings. Number 1. Plateau, meaning a plateau is a state of little or no change, growth, or progress. In this context of weight loss, a plateau refers to a period where an individual's weight remains stable and doesn't decrease despite continued efforts to lose weight. Number 2. Reassess, means to evaluate or examine something again, often in a new or different way. It involves taking a fresh look at a situation, goal, or strategy to re-evaluate priorities, adjust plans or approaches, identify new opportunities or challenges, refine goals or adjectives, develop new strategies or solutions. Number 3. Milestone, meaning. In the context of weight loss, milestone might include losing a certain number of pounds, completing a certain number of workouts, reaching a new personal best, mastering a new skill or habit, celebrating a non-scale victory. Milestone helps us stay focused, motivated, and encouraged throughout our journey, and celebrating them can help us stay positive and committed to our goals. If you found this video helpful in enhancing your speaking skills, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more valuable content like this. Your support helps me create more resources to assist you on your journey to becoming a confident communicator. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to English with Emma. See you in the next episode.